the expectation is this is going to be here for a month, maybe 7 weeks. So day one still has a way to go. Nothing overflowing, airlock working okay, and my makeshift 5 litre water bottle is actually working this time. Can't see much going on anymore. Strawberry and apple cider, day 11. Activity in the bubbler seems to have slowed down to nothing. Just waiting now a little longer to see if that begins to clear. That looks clear enough for the next step. The apple and strawberry cider is looking lovely and clear. So next step is I am actually going to rack this for a couple more weeks. So I want to get it off the bits of sediment in the bottom. Part of this is my skills with siphoning. So by racking it just gives me a better chance of having a nice clear end result. But this one, does look good. Just going to rack it into a second vessel, already sanitized, just need to sort out a new bubbler. Time for a hydrometer reading and another toy to my collection. Instead of my turkey baster solution, I now have a syringe solution for extracting what should be exactly 100 millilitres, which is the size of the measuring cylinder. We will see. All sanitised a bit earlier, ready for the big event. Time for a reading. Wow, that is dry. Gosh. That is something like 0.992. This is looking so promising. Very clear. This looks wonderful. Now, it's bottling day, so all is good. I was going to bottle straight from here, but I've decided at the last minute to change my mind, and I'm going to first transfer it to this jug, and then I'm going to add the sugar for carbonation here, mix it, and then bottle from the jug. And part of the reason is the sugar is actually a 50-50 mix of table sugar and brewing sugar. So to get the right quantity, it's just easier to mix it first. So that's what we're going to do. This is all being sanitized, so we're all good. Do it slowly, remember that. Ooh, lovely cider smell. This is 32 grams of table sugar and 35 grams of corn sugar. And this is for carbonation. Doing this, that smells lovely. While that's dissolving, we also have a mission on the bottles. So we need to put a bit more flavouring in all of the bottles. I can't feel any of that grittiness anymore. That's good. So I measured this to just below 4.5 litres, so I know exactly, hopefully, exactly how many bottles I need. So that's an advantage. I can also remove this bottom bit of the auto siphon, as I'm not straining out any of the sediments this time around. So I need to attach the bottle wand. This may take some time. Okay, so far so good. So I also have I don't have a third pair of hands sticky here. Bottling done, and some for a taste test, it would seem. It sure is a hot day. So, with bottling out of the way, a little bit left over, we have flat or dry cider, strawberry cider. Now that has some bite. I don't normally like dry cider, but I could drink that. Yes, I definitely could drink that. Not strong strawberry taste, but you put some extra strawberry flavouring in the bottles, so I'm guessing that will improve that. I wish I'd have kept a bottle of just dry now. Damn. Carbonated and cold, it'll be even better.